I know I might be moving a little too fast, but that's just me, man. I waste no time. If it needs to get done, we're gonna get it done. So I gotta go and get the right bolts for this to bolt the turbos down. But the turbos in, doing a little mock-up. I know I gotta angle this a little bit more, that one a little bit more this way. The wastegate dump tube is gonna be going down here. The other one is gonna be going down there. Okay, there's everything is done. Now for the dome pipe, I think the dome pipe is gonna go maybe through here or there. This one have plenty of room, so it could go down through here. Plenty of room. So when I got the wastegate, I noticed I'm missing this flange right here to bolt this one down. That's missing, so I gotta go to 100 Performance to get this one, so I can put the other wastegate on. But other than that, man, we're moving in the right direction. Looking really good.